When you're going to model something based on an object from reality, in this case, this chair, so-called womb chair, it's a very good idea to keep the image in your field of view, and one way to do that is to put it within Blender itself. And there's a very easy, quick way of doing that. For instance, I'll pick the outliner. You could pick anything, and I will cunningly not select the right thing. UV image editor, and then got my image here, and I just drop it in, and there it is. And you can see it's shown up in here, Siren M womb chair. What you can't as yet do is go Control-C, say we click on this chair here, go Control-C, copy, and you can't just drop it in here to paste, unfortunately. At least I can't. I've tried it and it doesn't work. But still, this being able to drop the file straight into a window, not important, so forth, makes the slightly tedious process of finding images and dropping them in a little bit quicker.